Hey everyone, I'm going to walk you through how you can handle returns in Materio today. Although we don't have a formal returns feature yet, it is on a roadmap to develop. You can achieve this in Materio with the existing tools. Basically, in effect, you want to make sure that you return to the client whatever funds were for an item that's being returned, generally by crediting their next invoice, and also select and order a new product that fulfills the original need. So let's dive in. In this example, we have a very simple project where the client just approved a refrigerator, and we've also invoiced them for that fridge. So they spent $1,800 for this refrigerator. It's an LG. Now, let's say time goes by, the fridge arrives, maybe it doesn't fit the space, or the client hates it. We want to send it back. This is how I would handle it. We're basically going to say this original refrigerator, we're going to return it. I would just open this up, update the name to refrigerator returning, and then go into the selection and zero out all the costs. What this does is, in effect, say, hey client, you paid for this, but since we're going to return it, we're going to credit you this back, and as far as the scope is concerned, this original fridge is worth 0. So if you already invoiced us some, that's going to come back to you. Now, this helps us keep track of the original fridge, what its status is, which product it was. If you need to track, say, like a tracking number for a return shipments, you can track that here in the description or in the status as well. But we do need to eventually have a fridge, so we're going to add a new item for refrigerator. Give that an estimate, and the client is going to reselect this. So basically, start from square one with the fridge problem, and say, all right, we're going to select another fridge. In this case, perhaps they prefer the Samsung right here. Go ahead and pick that. Client approves it. And great, we can basically move forward again. Now regarding the financials, all we need to do is make sure in the next invoice, notice here, the original fridge, which we zeroed out, now has a credit due because we set it to 0. So the system automatically detects, hey, the client paid for this thing, but it's worth now less than originally. We'll return them $1,800 and credit them towards the new fridge that they've selected, which is the Samsung. Select those. Boom. It says here, we're going to invoice this in full, return that, add it to our invoice. And you see here in this one invoice, the next invoice, we're able to handle that case, charging them for the new product and crediting them for the original one. So in this way, you can pretty easily handle returns, although we are going to make this a lot more smooth in the future release and reduce this to basically 2 clicks. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.